Hey besties, welcome to my channel again. You know what? My personal observation says plants do go into trauma. One for physical reasons like cuts, bruises, and the other one, the climatic one. Because these rain lilies are with me for past 8-9 years, and they have a longer traveling history in the last 5 years than most of you have. Yes. Alright, I'll tell you how. This story goes long back to 2016, Nagpur city, Maharashtra, India. When we posted out from New Delhi to Nagpur, I was overjoyed to get a ground floor accommodation and all 3 sites were free. Open space was there to do garden activities. Since the building was unoccupied 4 to 5 years, so there was nothing. The land was barren and there was no soil cover, only gravel. We had to lay fresh soil. We started a garden and these plants resurfaced. These are the pictures of my Nagpur garden. We were in Nagpur for 3 years and these rain lilies never disappointed me. They came out in bunches and vibrant in colors. And then came 2018 when we were reposted to New Delhi from Nagpur city, and before coming I took most of the rain lily plants from there because the house was about to demolish. So I thought, okay, I'll keep them with me, and we came to Delhi and these are the plants from my Delhi garden. After traveling for 1200 and something kilometers, they went into trauma, and for 1 year there was no sign of life. There was nothing. But the next year they started blooming. That's why I say plants do get traumatized, Then comes the year 2021. We were posted again to Shillong, Meghalaya, India. Nagpur to Delhi distance was little less, 1230 kilometers probably, and it took almost 4 days to reach Delhi by road. By trucks we transferred the plants, and plants were in good condition, though traumatized because there was no watering in these 4 days. They were just little dried up, but they were all alive. But when we were transported our plants from Delhi to Shillong, it took almost 10 days and there was no watering, nothing. It was jam-packed with other stuff and most of the plants died. Half of the pots got damaged and the plants mutilated, damaged, or mostly they were dried up and withered. Then I have collected the broken pieces and started afresh. Delhi to Shillong, to our residence in Lankading, it was 2057 kilometers to be exact, and the time taken were 10 days. These 10 days just reduced my plants from 50-60 to almost 20 numbers, and it took almost 1.5 years to fully recover to bear blooms or fruits. Within Shillong also, we had to shift from our previous residence to this new one. Again, it took another year to survive and to bear flowers. And this year, this is 2025, and we are getting plenty of rain lilies, all 4 varieties I have. And I think I do deserve a rain lily crown for myself because I have waited so long them to bloom and I have taken care of them for so long. Now I deserve a crown of my garden flowers. Just wait and watch. I'll get one for myself. I promise that. Sometimes YouTube or social media university is very helpful. One of my friends shared a YouTube video which suggested if you chop off the rain lily leaves, then you will get multiple blooms instead of fewer ones. So I'm trying this. I'm chopping all the leaves as if I'm shaving their heads. I have pruned their leaves so much, they look naked actually. Let's see what happens next, whether it's a myth or a fact. And the moment of truth. Brace yourself. 1, 2, 3. Wow! I must say, it was a fact. Look at these blooms. Oh my god. This is really rewarding. Let's get back to work. I need a crown for myself. Isn't it amazing that these plants have traveled at least 3,300 kilometers past 5 years and they're still with me. I'm so happy for myself and for them. So today we are celebrating the Rain Lily survival and my beautiful garden life. Now I need to get back to work as you are my partners in crime. So watch the video till the end. This is my tiny little happiness that I'm sharing with you. Please let me know if it was a beautiful crown. When we were in Nagpur, the building that was not in good condition to live in, so it was about to get demolished. And one tiny feelings that once we vacate this place and building gets demolished, all these beautiful plants will die. So that one tiny emotion that saved all these plants, and I couldn't leave them there, forsake them for to get died. And this yellow one, I got it from a friend as a parting gift in Nagpur. You see this tiny clay pot here? This was the present. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the video, and please give it a like and support me. Here I am. All hail Queen Snigdha of Shillongshire. I'm happy and elated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you all, guys, for inspiring me to execute all the weirdest ideas I have. The moment of truth. Any crown means responsibility. So I need to work. So the queen is busy with her courtiers and the royal duties. See you again. Bye.